Okay guys, the new shotgun is in Fortnite. It's the new update with the new exotic. That should be on that mountain right there. And it is a ship that's in that place I just showed you. So now in this video we're gonna try to show you the new shotgun. Sorry but not exotic for its, I don't know why, but I'm not gonna showcase that, for that's gonna be too long. Gonna cut the things where I'm not might gonna find some people. But how hard is it to get the shotgun? Like, this can be easy. And it's for, they just removed the Black Panther pack and I should buy it, or I should have. But now it's gone. So everything is gone and now I don't know what to do. So let's find a new shotgun. What's that? Oh, that's it? The lever action rifle. Take 91 damage. No, 108. But it is a guy here, I think. I saw someone down there. Can I see him now? But his might not here, and they removed some of my settings. Okay, it's no one here. Is it no one in Retail Row? This is unlooted. Well, or should I take the lever sniper? For I hate it. My aim with it sucks. It all sucks with the, but I'm gonna stick with it a bit. Let's see what I can do with it. Are you actually kidding me? Has no one looted Retail Row? Okay, someone is here. But where actually? Can we see someone with this trash lever? Hey, where is this guy? Ooh. Okay, we did find one. Okay, he cannot hide forever. So he gonna peek sometime. Here. Okay, he's out of here. Okay guys, I had to cut a bit. I didn't find anyone, but I did find a target. So that's good. If someone kills the bounty I have, will I get the bars? Or? Yes, sir, I did. Or someone killed him. Let's take some mats. I don't have very much. But I did fight with a guy. But then he's absolutely gone. That's Lucas. Okay, there is that guy. Is that him? What? I did shoot at him. I thought I hit every single shot. Okay, 9 people left. Oh, why did I do that? Okay, now is everyone here? Well, now I'm done with medkits. So if I'm getting hit again, then I don't have a medkit. Let's take that quickly. Are everyone targeting at me? I haven't tested this shotgun yet. So if I don't gonna test this shotgun, then I'm gonna go in a team rumble and play a bit with the shotgun. What? Okay. Also, can you stop sniping me? But where is this guy? Should I jump on him or is it there? But it is under a sniper guy. So we have to be safe. Okay, someone has built over there. If it is there. Actually, I hate SMGs, but this time I took it. I don't know why. Holy! Is it? No! You're shitting me? Well, let's go in a team rumble. I'm so pissed. Why did this always happen to me? Get this dumb matches. Well, let's go in. See you. Well, we have a small problem. I don't find this shotgun anywhere. Like absolutely anywhere. Oh. Oh, I forget the shards in. Oh, there. I forgot the shards. Are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me? When I get a purple shard, I have to go with the lever for the video. I never getting a shard anymore. And now I have to pick a blue lever? What does that mean? Let's just die. It takes so long for you to go in a team rumble. Let's fix a little bit settings. Like, where can you find that you can see everyone? Okay, I wanna test this on anyone. Let's take this nades. I always do this on a team rumble. For I never actually play team rumble, so that's why I'm doing what I can do. Oh, I wanna test that if you can do a thunder pump. I hit him with 18! So let's thunder pump that guy. Nope. Are you kidding? Okay, let's thunder. Yes, sir. This weapon is good. It's the new pump. What can you say about it? Let's build something. Look, I'm not a Team Rumble fan. That's what I'm doing these things. Let's take some edits. And let's jump out of here. Wait, can I not? Was that an enemy? Well, let's take him down. Teammate. Oh, I saw a sniper shot. Alright, you should save me. I'm Condor. That's my season. I got the green styles too. Okay, now let's... Are you kidding me? Well, I love this shotgun. Or... Let's take some of these and hope it is a guy. Well, now we have tested this shotgun. Now it's just win. A little bit edits. That's also AR. It is style. Hannah, in this shotgun, gray, green. I don't know if it's the gray, green, blue, purple, and legendary. Like he's burning everything. Okay, nice. It cannot. Where is he? Okay, he's no one flying to me. Explode? Nope. What? There it is. Okay, let's go to him. Nice, I don't think you have to aim with this. Like always when I play Team Rumble, it's always getting toxic in the end. But now it's no toxicity. What did he say? I'm gonna switch name from Jug Pill to the Legendary. Well, now let's see if we can hit someone. I see that guy. But I still can hit him. I'm just shooting a little bit random. Ooh, missed. Like he's still looking at me. Whoa. Nice, another combo. Shoot at him. Or don't shoot at him, he's my brother. He's called Nondo. Let's jump on. What am I doing? I didn't even have bounce pads. That's what I tried to do. Okay, let's take this baby commando. Okay, still. Okay, guys, I died and then he danced on me. And that's the second time he kills me. And then dancing on me. I said toxic is on the end in the Team Rumble. It's laughing at me, and he's there. Are you kidding me? He's dancing again. He's laughing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.